Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. Well, Bitcoin is coming down. We had this triangle here on the chart, out of which Bitcoin broke obviously to the downside. Now, what does that mean now? Is the sort of short-term upside potential that we talked about in previous videos, is that invalidated or not? So let's take a look at it. Overall, my view is still that we are coming down here for new lows. You know that, yeah. Again, just to repeat that, until we really break impulsively above the 22.1k level, my understanding is that we are gonna come down, because until I see a break above that level, the daily trend is just down. Of course, you know, there could be short-term upside potential, but it is this level that I need to be broken. I need to see that broken in order to be clearer and more confident about also longer-term upside potential. That, I mean, you know, we need to break that level in order to say that a more meaningful bottom was formed in this area. So until I see that level broken, I still focus on new lows, which doesn't mean that short term we couldn't push a little bit higher. So it is extremely difficult at the moment, you know. We are here in a range still for Bitcoin. We haven't broken out of the range, and therefore there are multiple possibilities. The ones I lean to, I'm going to show you in this video so that you have the best possible outlook for Bitcoin here. Generally, as you can see here on the chart, I still expect lower lows for Bitcoin. My opinion is that we are here in an ending diagonal of wave 5. This would complete the bear market. I'm currently looking at prices between 14 and 16k to complete the bear market. However, where are we on this roadmap? In my opinion, we are in the third wave. The wave 3 consists here of a WXY pattern. Now you can also very easily, especially now with the latest drop, relabel that as ABC, which I'm going to do. Why? Not that important. It more relates to this latest dip, which makes this as an ABC unlikely. So let's just look at that. Generally, my view is that from the top here, we came down in a wave A, then we moved up in a wave B, which is, or we are moving up still, and this probably isn't finished yet in my opinion, and then we will come down in wave C of 3. If you ask yourself, why on earth does wave 3 have 3 waves? Shouldn't it have 5? Yes, but I count this as an ending diagonal, the entire 5-wave move here in wave 5. And because it is an ending diagonal, the subwaves can contain only 3 waves. And if you look at this, this looks as if this is going to become a 3-wave pattern. Okay. In this wave B, as you know, a wave B is always horrible. Yeah, they are really, really hard to forecast. In this wave B, I think we have again another ABC. So looking at this as a wave A, then coming down here in B, and now moving up in C. This is my latest thought about this due to this latest dip. It allows me to count the wave C as an ending diagonal. So if I count the wave C as an ending diagonal, we have in the C wave 5 waves. Wave 1, wave 2 here, and then wave 3 and wave 4, and the next would be wave 5 in C. So there should still be, at the moment at least, yeah, my view is there should still be a rally coming, and we talk about that in a minute. Each of these waves again have 3 subwaves ending diagonal. Yeah, for example here wave 3 consists of A, B, C. A, B, C in wave 4 as well, and there should be an A, B, C in wave 5. So I still think that upside, that short-term upside potential is still there. It's not invalidated, it's still there. And this would be likely Yeah, as long as we hold above 19,750. There was short-term upside potential above 19,750. Now that was invalidated, but we still have the let me just do that. So we still have the possibility to move higher above 19,250, and that is based on the fips from that low here to that wave 3 high. If we go below the 78.6% fib level, it's going to get tough for short-term upside potential. Okay, so as long as we hold that 78.6% fib level, which is 19,250, I think there is still upside potential against that support level. And also, we can't really confirm that a sell-off really has started, because we can only count at the moment 3 waves down, which is, first of all, you could say of corrective nature. Yeah, only when we can see 5 waves down, then we can be more confident in that this is already taking us straight through to, let's say, the 16K level. At the moment, it's just not really clear, so there is still upside potential on the chart as long as we hold above 19,250. In addition to that, you can actually draw a trend line here, which could push us higher in a 5th wave. So you can also see, based on this, that it looks like a diagonal pattern. You have this trend line, resistance, and here a support line. Basically makes the impression of an ascending wedge. Yeah, and there could definitely be another bounce here to the upside. If we lose the trend line, that would already be a first indication that this is not going to play out anymore. But we are basically where the trend line is, where the support level is, here at the 19,450 level. If we lose this, then I think we are coming down in the first instance to 19,250, and then it all depends on, do we hold this level or not. If we lose this level, then we've got as a next key level 18,950 and then 18,500. At the latest, below 18,500, we should have our confirmation that we are coming down further into the region 16 to 17K. So yeah, very tough here, very tough. So short-term upside potential definitely still there. I would say into the region 20.6K in the first instance, yeah. And I already gave you the invalidation points and counts as well. Okay, very difficult environment. Still, I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.